In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install, sign up, and create an UpScrolled account. So first, I'm going on Play Store. If you are Apple user, go to Apple Store. That's it. Now going on search bar. Then here are type up UpScroll. Then just install this app. Now just open this app. Now just create account. Then write your name. Now write your email here. Now just type your date of birth. Just click on next. Then select a strong password. Now click on next. Again click on next for verification. Now just check your Gmail. Just copy this code. Then paste on here. Then click on verify. Okay. Now choose a handle. Then click on sign up. Okay, my account are ready. So you can see how I install, create and create an account. And now this account are ready for use. You can follow someone. Then if you want to add and support this one, this is a sports item you can like on here, this one, and you can watch everything. So this is a method how you can install, sign up, and create an account. That's it. So if you found this video helpful for me, like and subscribe the channel. So you can take care. Goodbye.